Hello everybody. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve messenger call don't ringing. To know how to fix or how to solve messenger not ringing, call not ringing, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this page we click on messenger and you'll enter here. Then we click for stop and we click OK. After that we click storage. Here we click clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can mix errors on your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.